Lot number 210 is a 2011 Dodge Charger PPV. This one has a 5.7 liter V8 that sounds rough. The motor has a steady tapping sound. It's been running for about 30 minutes. It has not improved. It's been tapping just how you hear it right now from the minute I started it, and it has not improved. It also has a steady misfire. Can't tell what side of the motor it's coming from. It almost sounds like it's coming from the top. Got a steady tapping, clacking noise. And I can't rev it up because the accelerator does nothing. It's either disconnected or it's in some kind of safe mode. But I tried to rev it up and it does absolutely nothing. So listen. Sounds a little noisier on the driver's side, but really sounds like it's coming from the top. I'm gonna try and rev it up now. Accelerator does nothing. Check engine light is on. I had a service engine right there. And the miles are 104,000 miles. This one is rough. This one definitely needs to get towed out of here. Another thing I noticed is the steering is very hard. It'll turn soft for a second and then it gets intermittently hard. The hood does not stay up. Had to hold it up with a stick. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. The front bumper is cracked up top here around the grill. It's cracked. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. The paint looks moldy and dirty from being in storage. 4 matching hubcaps. Tires look fair. Tinted windows are peeling. The trunk lid has 2 holes from antennas that were removed. So there's 2 holes drilled into the trunk lid right there. Rear bumper is cracked. It's got a couple of little scuffs and it's cracked right at the center. Passenger side looks straight. Minor dings and dents. No major damage. Now I'll show you inside. Again, this one should be picked up with a tow truck. The fact that it doesn't rev up will make it undrivable on the street. And you don't want to cause any further damage. There's the passenger side door panel. Looks good. Passenger seat is not torn, but it looks very dirty. The dashboard has a small hole right up top. Other than that, the dashboard looks good. It's missing the center console complete. It's also missing all the rear seats. Rear door panel looks good. Headliner looks good. And I'll go around and show you the driver's side. Here's the driver's seat. It shows wear, but it's not torn. The steering wheel is torn. The leather cover, the leather wrap is torn. Showed you the miles. Driver's door panel has a tear on the armrest, and the rear door panel looks good. Again, all the rear seats are missing. All right, that's it. This one's rough. Motor has a ticking, tapping sound. Automatic transmission engages, AC blows warm, and the accelerator does nothing. Both bumpers are cracked. It's lot number 210. 2011 Dodge Charger PPV with 104,000 miles on a 5.7 liter V8. Lot 210. Good luck.